Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel, back here in beautiful Manasquan, New Jersey. Today I met up with Chris with Sequoia Salt, and today he's going to give us a tour of this camp cruiser built on a Ford Transit extended chassis. So join us for the tour.
What's going on, Patrick? Chris here from Sequoia Salt. Thanks for coming back and filming another video on us. So this is a customer van we just finished. This is a Ford Transit 148 extended. So let's get right into it. So we added some slider windows right at the sliding door. And then we're gonna move on our new logos. Looks pretty cool. Some Method rims and some Templet tires. I'm gonna wrap around here. We have the FVC roof rack. I believe that's a slim roof rack. We added the FVC ladder to the side. Some nice pill windows with some integrated screens built into them. A shore power connection port. We do this on every single van that we build. On the top, we have a Starlink Mini. We have a Dometic RTX 2000 AC unit, a max vent fan dome for the shower, 400 watts of solar, and a max vent fan. So this van is packed like every single one that we do. So this is the Transit all-wheel drive series. One of the things you should know about us, we don't always build brand new vans. So this customer brought this van to us. This is a pre-owned vehicle. I believe it has just about 40,000 miles on it. So we said, bring it by. It doesn't matter if it's an empty shell, we can build anything and anything. All right, so if you look over on this side, we have the Van Essential rear door panels. We add this to most of our vans now. The customers are loving this accessory. Fills like tons of storage in the back of the van for pretty much space that you're not really using. So they decided to not have rear windows up here and go with more cubby space. Van Essential thought of it all. They have a nice little drop down. This is great for, I mean, I would put my like drone batteries and all my camera gear in there. Above me, you'll see that we have the Van Essential rear door screen. We have a sliding door screen as well. Keep those bugs out. An exterior spray port with hot water control. This is your water pump switch. This is your 12-volt fuse panel and your breaker system right here. We lifted the floor by, I believe, 8 inches. We added, we'll call them his and her drawers. This customer is planning on taking this full-time off-road all over the place, so having that extra storage is like so important in a van like this. So as a backup, we have our Aqua Hot exhaust, our exterior water fill, pill window on this side with integrated screen, nice little drop-down table. We add these to pretty much any van that's going to have a galley in this orientation. Pop-up countertop extension. Below that, you'll see the bamboo harps we started putting in all of our vans. Nice little stainless trim with the Lawn Ridge, I don't even know the name of it, but this is like nice airplane durable flooring. We add this to a lot of the vans. If you plan on getting dirty, you want a floor like this. If you have dogs, get a floor like that because no matter what, it's not gonna get beat up. Swivel seat. We didn't add one to this side because it pretty much butts up to the front-facing cabinet that has I believe this is called the Isotherm Freeline refrigerator unit. It's really big. I believe it's a 115. We added a headliner shelf to a van that doesn't actually come with those eyebrows. Some of them come with like the eyebrow that sits up here, so we couldn't find that, so we sourced a nice headliner shelf, nice and big. If you look below, we have the Wolf Box front and rear driving camera. We installed this because the display is super tiny in this van. It's like the size of a cell phone. As we move back, we have some nice drawers. Drawer storage, more storage, and then we left this one open. We added a little bamboo harp to the front of it. All of our vans, we like adding our leather straps. We make these in-house. This is our Go Code body trim. So we add that all throughout the van. It's nice and finished. It gives it a very professional look. Bamboo ceilings. Bamboo pretty much everywhere. We have bamboo countertops, bamboo trim. I'm really selling it on the bamboo right now, but we really love adding bamboo to the vans. This is the Dometic RTX 2000, and let's just drop down and I'll show you the galley. So if you see in the front here, we added some nice vents to the galley. This is for your stovetop, and then we added some kick vents for your heat. Some drawer storage. And a nice big one right here. Behind that, we added a custom spice rack. We made this, we like really engineered the spice rack. So what we did was we put it at a nice angle. So if you have like medicine, you have spices, easy grabs, we added a nice little bamboo grab right there. Some space on the bottom of it. Another bamboo harp. Some storage under the sink. So back up top, we have a nice deep sink. We have 2 faucets. So this is just your regular sink faucet, and then this is your freshwater drinking faucet. So that's a UV filtration system. It's the Wanderer filtration system by Lippert. Thing is awesome, especially if you plan on drinking all the waters in your van. On this side, we added a little tiny drawer. I mean, it's not that small. All the way up top, let me show you some cabinets. Some nice big cabinets, self-supporting hinges. We have our Renogy Rego battery system. So this is 400 amp hours lithium battery power. This is our inverter switch, our fresh and gray water tank. This is the Aqua Hot heater system in this. This is the Gen 1 heater. Some dimmable lights, our water pump, water dump, cutoff, and Starlink switch. Cool. All right, so come back forward here. So we have our shower head. So the way that we do our shower heads now is we connect them in so that you can connect the shower head when you want it here, or you can take the shower head and you can bring it outside and it quick connects right outside. Retractable shower door. This is by a company, I believe it's called Galley. They make an FRP board, so it's styled. It's got a nice finish to it. Looks really nice inside of here. This is the, hold on, there you go. This is the dome from Max Air vent fans. It's a nice little fan, and below here, you've been seeing these in a lot of our videos because the customers are loving them. So this is the Wrappon PF1 single-use bag, and so what you do your business in here, you put a bag in the inside. I showed you in one of the other videos, and then when you pull this, it heat seals the bag. So once you do that, your bag fully heat seals, and you can throw it out in your van, and it does not off gas for up to 30 days. Because we don't like dealing with it. All right, so let's move back. Tons of storage. So we added a nice pull up there so you can hang some of your clothes. More drawer space. Dovetail finish drawers. This is multiply. So we finish all of our cabinets with multiply. Or we use multiply on all of our cabinet faces because we feel that it really accents the van. It kind of adds that extra texture inside of the van. Which I should then talk about this awesome laminate that we use. So this laminate color is called Fossil. I love it because it has like a, can you hear that? It's got like a finished texture for all you ASMR people out there. Really cool, really durable. Our walls, we make these all in-house. So this is our shiplap panels. So we finish them. So this is like super durable stuff. You can wipe it, you can't scratch it, you can't beat it up. And the inside of all of our window frames, we wrap the inside so it matches our trim throughout the entire cabin. And we finish it with a nice bamboo trim. Trim on trim on trim. More overhead storage. This is the Max Air vent fan. So every single van has them pretty much here and out in the world. We added, what do we go with? 7 rooftop lights. These puck lights are, again, we add them in every single van. This is Sunbrella cushion fabric. We use this in most of our models. And inside here you can see we have our Gen 1. So that is our heater and hot water system. you've got a ton of space. I mean, you have extra space in here, you know, if you want to throw some stuff in. But this is a 35-gallon water tank in the inside here. You can see it's a nice big boy. Okay. This is actually interesting, Patrick. This is something that something we kind of do is we add a quick connect port here. So instead of having to put a bunch of RV antifreeze inside of your van every single year, you just blow out the air in between uses. This is great for our customers that plan on going like snowboarding, being in winter more often than not, and they want to use their van in the winter. So we just add that little blow off valve. So yeah, I actually didn't show you this. So on the bottom of all of our cushions that we do in-house, we add this non-skid so it doesn't fall off when you're driving. Bamboo Lagoon table. And on this side, I can move this over and make it easier for us. This is our power system. So this is the Rego 400 amp hour lithium battery system, our 3000 watt inverter charger, our DC to DC charger, and MPPT. We put tons of fuses. Everything's real safe in the inside here. This is our storage to extend our bed. You know what? I'm going to do it right now for y'all. Why not? When Patrick comes in town, we make the bed. I wish there was a camera on Patrick, because this guy like hangs on things when he films these videos. He's literally hanging off the van. Now I feel like I'm on an island. I've got to fix myself. Here we go. There you go. All right, now that we did that, let's fill these cushions in. Okay. All right, so now this is just shy of a king size bed. It's bigger than a queen size bed. It's super big. So, I mean, if you plan on, you know, hanging out with your missus and you want to, you know, hang out, like, look at me. I'm not going to say I'm 6'2". I'm 5'8", and I'm almost there. All right, so above it, we have some soft bags from Van Wife Essential. What we did is we added an L-track on the top, so if they want to buy more of these clips, they can hang some more stuff over here. We added some reading lights to the back. These are great. We add them in almost all of our vans. This has a little dimmer built into it. It's got a little blue light and you can turn it off. All right, I'm gonna wrap this one up right now. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for coming by and viewing another one of our awesome vans. If you want to get in touch with us, please reach out. Our website is www.sequoiasaltvans.com. You can find us on Instagram at sequoia_salt. And we're on YouTube. And if you Google that, you'll find us.
Awesome to have you back on the channel. You guys are like cranking them out at your little factory here in Manasquan, New Jersey. For all you don't know, this is a beautiful little beach town right on the Jersey Shore. Nice and quiet here. There's a very old school drawbridge there, a mechanical drawbridge. Unbelievable. Nice area to film. I love the laminates that you chose on this one. You pointed out in the video, probably because I was talking it up before the video. And the floor throughout, and aesthetically, your vans are always beautiful. And I love the fact, I think this is the first Transit maybe I filmed for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of
we haven't done a ton of Transits. They're like, I don't know. I feel like it depends on who's talking, but they've had problems with getting chip shortages, and it's just taken us a while to kind of get the Transits in. And like, the people who love their Transits love their Transits. This customer is going to love this Transit, and yeah, we're excited to build more of them.
And another thing too, for people that are over 6 feet tall, like the Transit is the way to go. You get the full height ceiling. Yeah. And the builders don't like building on a Transit because look at this curved roof. Look at that, it's like a school bus up there.
Don't tell them all the secrets.
It adds a lot of time and labor, but yeah, they come out remarkable. I'll put the links in the description. There's Patrick, New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Pop over to his website for current pricing. I'll see you next time.
See you soon.